I'm having weekly conversations with tech and business leaders and startup founders. There's something that I'm noticing. Some things are getting so much easier, like exponentially easier as the months go by. Creating a new product, a new MVP is something that almost anybody can do now. AI tools have literally democratized ideation and putting your ideas into the world. That means building a business can be a little bit tougher. Scaling, getting distribution, getting buy-in, getting users. Why would someone use your product over another or over the one that they could make? Why would investors invest in businesses that are based on ideas that someone else can duplicate? It's a funny time we're in. That is obvious. And so this is changing the behavior of founders. And it's, of course, changing the behavior of investors, which can definitely impact how businesses get started and how they scale, how they grow, and if they grow. So while this isn't the complete answer at all, I'm definitely hearing that storytelling matters more, branding, mission, trust, and the capacity of a founder to really drive momentum, and businesses that can create community around a brand. But that community needs to be based on real values and not hype, and real benefits. And I sort of said this before, trust. I know I'm not reinventing the wheel here, but it is interesting hearing over and over a lot of these themes coming from people who are working in many ways in very different environments. And it does make me think a lot about the next generation of entrepreneurs, business owners, business leaders, and how quickly things are changing. So it seems like how to stay on top of the technology while also remaining deeply human as you build something. In business, the moat matters, and this is something that keeps coming up. And I'm curious, what do you think is the most important and most effective moat a business builder can be thinking about today?